Alright, so isang magandang umaga po muli sa ating lahat. Once again, good morning everyone! Hi, and first hello once again to each and every one of our guests na nandito na po ngayong hapong ito. And syempre naman, most especially to all our principal sponsors, Ninong Ninang, sa mga magulang, sa mga family members na nandito, and most especially to the friends and relatives of our newlyweds. Once again, good afternoon and good morning na rin, combination na yan. And welcome to everybody. And syempre naman po, bago po tayo tuluyang mag-umpisa na ating napaka-espesyal na programa po ngayong hapon, ay nais ko muna po sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga bisita right now. And at the same time, I would also like to check your vibe and your energies. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba kapakarinig ko mula po sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan dyan! Yan, diba? That's like by the energy and the spirit that we are looking for ngayong araw, diba? Syempre naman, this special day is a time to celebrate, rejoice, and also be united po all together. Dahil nandito po tayong lahat ngayong araw to celebrate a very spectacular event for our newlyweds this afternoon. And by the way, magandang araw po muli sa ating lahat. And welcome aboard here at the RBL, dito po sa Quezon City. And once again, everybody, nandito po tayong lahat. And we are all gathered here this time to witness and to celebrate the wedding reception of our couple newlyweds, sila Mr. and Mrs. Garcia. Yeah, syempre naman po, kayo na lang po sa ganda para marinig po tayo. Kasi po, syempre naman, bago po tayo tumungo sa exciting part na yan, hindi po tayo makakapagsimula kung wala pa dito. Of course, ang their main reason kung bakit po tayo nagtipon-tipon lahat. Pero bago tayo magtungo dyan, is please allow me, first and foremost, to formally acknowledge and also, of course, introduce to all of you the set of our principal sponsors alongside with the parents of our newlyweds. Okay? Ganito po ang gagawin natin, ha? Tatawagin ko po ang bawat isang pangalan ng ating mga ninong-ninang na nandito kasabay ng mga magulang ng ating bagong kasal. Na po, ang gagawin lamang po pag narinig niyo ang pangalan ninyo, syempre, na binanggit ko po, kayo po ay tatayo na lang sa inyong kinaupuan at kakamay lang po at naharap sa mga bisita natin na parang mga sikat na artista or kandidato or whatever you may feel na pag pinakilala kayo. Okay? And the rest of our guests ay papalakpakan po sila para mas ganahan po sila on doing that. Okay? Let's officially begin with introducing our principal sponsors. Palakpakan naman po natin. The first step is Mr. Red Ramirez. Yes. Andyan po ba? Mr. Red Ramirez po. Ayan. And of course, you also have here Ninong Honorable West Gatchalian. And of course, sa Ninang naman po tayo. Let's give it up to Ninang Antoinette. Boy, palakpakan naman natin. Nandito po si Ma'am Antoinette. Ayun pala. Hello, ma'am. And last but not the least, to complete our Ninangs are, should I say, ito na nga, Mrs. Jocelyn Javier. Ayan o. They would also like to acknowledge the witnesses of their wedding. First up, we have here Mr. Jeffrey Gahutos. Walang pangalan natin. Ito yung pala. Hello, sir. We also have our second witness, Mr. Renz Morvin Estrella. Andun sa loob. Ayun. And last but not the least is Mr. John Milton Sanchez. Walang pangalan natin. Andun pala sila lahat sa loob. Hi! Gandang araw po. Yes. Once again, let's give it up to the principal sponsors and the witnesses of our newlyweds. Magandang araw po. Maraming salamat. And of course, dako naman tayo this time to the loving and supporting parents of our newlyweds, starting off with the parents of our girl. Palakpakan naman natin for the parents of our girl, Mrs. Josephine Bata. Yes. Magandang araw, madam. Pleased to meet you. You may now take your seat. And of course, next in line will be the parents of our bride. Palakpakan naman po natin sina Mr. and Mrs. Ricardo and Irene Javier. Walang kawan natin si Madam Representative. Hello, Madam. Good afternoon po sa inyo and kay Madam over there. And kung ang bisita natin, magandang araw. And of course, I think yaman din lamang napakilala ko na ang mga pangunahin nating bisita ngayong hapon, which is na-introduce ko na. I believe that we are now going to proceed and we can now highlight the exciting part of our program tonight or this afternoon na inaabangan natin talaga ngayong hapon. Pero before we proceed to the climax, ang pinakakaabang-abang na anticipating highlight of our program ngayong hapon. I would like to request everybody before anything else to please rise. Magsipagtayo na po tayong lahat. Tayo na po ang lahat because ito na po ang hutyan. Ito na po ang hinihintay natin. The line is finally over and we are about to make this happen once and for all. Pero bago yan, sa ating mga bisitang nandito, paalala lang please bear with us all through the program. You will be needing your high energy and a lively vibe for this reception. And syempre naman, ibigay na natin maya-maya ang pinakamataas na level ng energy natin. And tulad nga ng babanggitin ko sa inyo ngayon, each and every one of you, bawat isa po sa inyong nandito, ay isa po kayo sa napakahalaga at napakalaking bahagi ng programa at celebration nito. So, alam niyo na, pag tinawag ko na po ang ating couple, ayan po, no? Since wala tayong panyo on our table, ang gagawin na lang po natin ay sasalubungan lang natin sila ng inyong pang malakasang palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Okay, tulad ng sabi ko, ibigay na po natin ang pinakamataas na level ng ating saya and energy. So, welcome them here on stage, okay? Pero may tatanong muna po ako sa inyong lahat para matesting ko kung pasado na ba, kung pwede na ba, pero kung kaya na ba. Tingnan natin I'll be asking you one simple question. Just going to basically answer yes or no, okay? Here you go. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Parang matablay. Yes! Di ba naman? Yes! Di ba gano'n? Sige, take two. Kaya nga tinetesting ko kung pwede pa iangat pa. So kung kaya kanina, times 2 na yun, eto times 3 yung hiningin ko sa inyo. Okay, once again, take two. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Nakita niyo po, pinagkaiba. Diba? I-maintain niyo lang po yung vibe na yan as we proceed to this exciting part. So anyway, mukhang handa-handa ng lahat and I believe we're all set. So that's why brace yourselves, want to get ready. Because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only newlyweds, our couple today, or should they say, ang ating bagong kasal sa araw na ito. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all get on stage, Mr. and Mrs. DJ and Anthony Garcia! Let's go! Yes! Thank you so much. Remain standing lang po muna tayo. Wala mo na po mauupo hanggang hindi ko po sinasabi or wala po tayong go signal. Okay? So please remain standing muna po tayo and then here they are, of course. And before we be able to proceed with the next portion of our program ngayong hapon, may dalawang pambungad na bagay lang po tayong gagawin. Okay po? Para sa kanila. Okay? And then yung una po natin